Summer. Summer in London is a vibrant and lively season, where the city buzzes with energy under long, sunny days. The parks and green spaces, like Hyde Park, Greenwich Park, and Hampstead Heath, become the heart of outdoor life, filled with picnics, sunbathers, and impromptu games of football. The Thames sparkles under the bright sun, and riverside pubs and cafes brim with people enjoying the warm weather. The city's cultural scene also comes alive, with outdoor festivals, concerts, and events held in iconic locations. The British Summertime Festival in Hyde Park and the vibrant Notting Hill Carnival are just a couple of highlights that draw crowds from near and far. Rooftop bars and open-air cinemas offer unique ways to soak in the city's skyline as the sun sets late in the evening. Street markets, like Camden and Spitalfields, thrive in the summer, offering everything from fresh produce to artisan crafts, while the South Bank hosts food stalls, performances, and art installations. Summer in London is a season of exploration, with both locals and tourists taking to the streets to enjoy the city's cultural offerings, outdoor activities, and the rare but cherished warmth that makes everything feel a bit more golden.